In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a background overlay in Canva. First, open your design canvas, then choose the image that you want to use as your background. To do that, you can choose an image from the Elements tab or upload your own file from your computer. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this image. Then right-click the image and choose Set Image as Background. Now add a text to the design by going to the Text tab on the left side of your screen and click this Add a Text Box button. Then you can change the text to whatever you want and adjust the size and position. Now we need to create the overlay layer so it becomes more readable. To do that, just go to the Elements tab on the left side of your screen, go to the Shapes category, and choose this rectangle. Now let's pick the color for the overlay. To pick a color, just go to the top toolbar and click this color options. Change the color to black or gray. Then stretch the corner of the rectangle until it covers your entire background completely. Now here is the magic step. With the rectangle shape still selected, look at the top toolbar and click this transparency option. Then drag the slider down to around 35 or 50%. And then click this three dots button, click layer, and click send backward. As you can see, now the text has high contrast and is perfectly readable. So that's how to add a background overlay in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.